Nice H1 and H2 in there. Ford stack train with 4 locomotives. It's got potential. Could be a big one. There's a Mediterranean Shipping Company, MSC. Out here with Buddy. Finally got some nice weather after 3 days of drizzle. Not a cloud in the sky today. It's beautiful. We're about milepost 59 here in the very top of the Walker section. Buddy's taking a nap next to me. So we'll see if we get some mid DPUs here. Or the 2 trains in one, or just 1 train. It takes 244 well wagons to make a 3-mile long train. Give or take a few feet from my calculations. And a Mega Monster train will usually have around 130 cars per side before and after the mid DPUs, give or take. The biggest I ever saw was 264. Seen a couple long ones today, a couple short ones. Beautiful afternoon out here. It's the day before Easter. Happy Easter. It's April 19th, 2025. It's about 2:30 in the afternoon. I pretty much worked graveyard shift. I got off at 10 a.m. today. Went in at 2. Jumped in the ride after this, grabbed Buddy, and here we are. Spend tomorrow at home. Go through some video and eating some good chow. Get ready to go back to work Monday. The wind's dying down. I should be able to get the drone up into the air in not too long. It's still a little bit strong. Hoping to get it up today. That's just a regular train. There's 6 total locomotives. saw there, please subscribe to our channel. Give us a like, thumbs up. Everything helps the channel. Nice comments. I try to respond to all of them. If I don't, Buddy will. So we got you covered. Let's see what Buddy's doing. Don't wake up the baby. Sleeping, Buddy? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, it's a perfect day to take a nap. All right, love you guys. Thanks for watching. Watch a couple more, and we'll catch you on the next one. Oh, look who woke up. Mouth full of dirt. Come on now. That much power, it's got to be a Z train. Got a nice horn salute. Got a horn salute every time today. And some hand waves too. Sweet. Yeah, I know it's going to be a Z train. They got that much power. Trains go for speed. It's going up a pretty steep grade right now. Going about 35 miles an hour. So once it gets over the summit, it'll be hitting 60. We're at the very top of the Walker section, right below Alray. So in these JB hunts, we got a lot of product, store product, things like that. FedEx and UPS will have a lot of packages. And then we'll probably get some trailers here at the end with piggyback style and maybe some refrigerator trailers or containers. Anything that has to get to where it's got to go quick. If this train wasn't a Z train, it would probably have about 2 or 3 locomotives. Lots of trains today. It's the day before Easter, April 19th, 2025. Nobody's out here but me and Buddy. The 15 freeway behind me is jam-packed. Everybody's going to visit, eat some good food tomorrow, and relax. Relax with family. Beautiful day out here, my gosh. It's been horrible the last 3 days, and finally the sun broke out today, and not a cloud in the sky. not have been a Z train. It might be a Q train. Guaranteed service intermodal. Sorry about that. All that power, I was thinking Z train, but yeah, Q train's got pretty high priority also. Definitely. They're guaranteed service intermodals. I hope you like what you saw there. You can see the 15 freeway up there. Not moving real quick. All right, become a member for less than $3 a month. Get early views on all the videos. Some other perks. Please leave a comment. We try to respond to everything. Appreciate you guys. Love you guys. Become a member for less than $3 a month. Help us with some gas money here. It takes me a good hour to get here every time I come out, so, and back. So it takes a little bit of gas. All right, you guys, thanks for watching. Watch a couple more. We love you, and we'll catch you on the next one.